Now let's talk about the OLR file. The Oracle cluster where 11G relates to the additional component related to OCR called as OLR, called as Oracle Local Registry, is installed on each node in the clusters on the local node. The OLR is a local registry for a node specific resources. The OLR is not shared. Oracle 11G is possibly by adding the OLR, which is local copy of resource information. Though ASM is not up to access the OCR start the CRS, OLR gives that information to has daemon because it accessed by the time, because it skips and store on the local node, and the while the starting the Oracle grid services, the ASM is not off. That time the OLR file is to give the information about the OCR file and information. That's it. So when it is introduced in 11G R2. Can we have the shared storage or a local node? Every node has its own dedicated OLR file. That's it. Not shared between the nodes. So example, like I do have the 10 nodes clusters, so I do have the 10 OLR files. For each node I have the one OLR file. Who take the backup of OLR? Oracle takes one backup after the installations. No auto backup policy for the OLR. Only manual backup if possible for the OLR. So this last scenario which happens in my office, like that the no one is taking the OLR file backups, and this issue that this was corrupted at the local mount point, in the OLR was not able to see. So we are not aware about the last OLR backups, and it was the problem. So after a few days, what we did, we just have been make the availability of the OLR files, and we take the manual backup. We just configure the cron job for the OLR file, and now it's working fine. So what is the job of the OLR file? Maintain the resource into on a local node. Maintain the resources informations on the local node. That's it. That's the job of the OLR file. How to take the backup of the OLR file? OCR config local manual backup. That is the command to take the backup of the OLR file. The default location of the OLR file, grid home cdata hostname.olr. What is the default location of the OLR? Grid home cdata hostname.olr. What is the other location of the OLR file? Go there on the prompt OCR check -local, give the information, or the go the etc oracle OLR.log will give an information about the OLR file. Which daemon process is responsible for OLR? It's an interview question. So OHSD process is responsible for the OLR. How to take the manual backup? We already discussed. OCR config -show back local show backup will give the manual backup. How to verify the integrity of the OLR? How to verify the integrity? So this is the run cliffy comp OLR is the command to check the integrity of the OLR. How to check the current OLR location? Go to the grid home bin OCR check -local. That's it. They will give the information of the local OLR location. How to view the OLR in a text format? Here we do have the parameter where we can configure, like we need to read the OLR file. So this is the syntax for this. So grid home bin OCR dump -local std out. This is the command where we read the OLR file in text format. So another command is like string backup OLR grep type grep.olr will read the OLR file. How to restore the OLR from the backup? So this is the scenario while you in interview, some people will ask to you like how to restore the OLR from the auto backup. So first of all, we stop the CRS, check the OCR config -local -restore. This is the command for the OLR location. Then OCR config -local, go to the CRS CTL, start CRS, check the integrity of this cluffy com dot OLR. Check the integrity of the OLR file which are stored. So why OLR is used and why was it is introduced? It was the first file used to start up the cluster where when OCR is stored on ASM. Information about the resources that needs to be started on the node is stored in the OS file called as Oracle Local Registry OLR. Since OLR is an OS files, it can be processed by various processes on the node for the read write irrespective of the status of cluster up and down. When a node joins the cluster, OLR on that node is read various resources including the ASMs are started on this node. So once the ASM is up, OLR is accessible, OCR is accessible and is used to henceforth to manage all the cluster nodes. If the OLR is missing or corrupted, cluster were can't started of the node. That's it. So OLR is very important to start the node. What does the OCR contains? OCR contains the cluster where version info, cluster when configuration and the configuration of various resources which needs to be started on the node etc. Can we repair the OLR file if corrupted? Yes, we can by using the below command OCR config hyperlocal repair OLR file name. So we can repair also. That's it. That's it for the session for the OLR. We will talk and the other parameter on the Oracle RAC in the next video.